to go.
Hello everyone, here I'm going to show you how to install Crescendo Antivirus, which is shown right here. All we need to do is download from the link from our website. Here type As you can see, there are 4 types which are shown here. The first one is completely free. The second one is an antivirus. It only provides protection for PC only. And this internet security version only provides protection for your PC, Mac, and Android, while the total security provides protection for PC, Mac, Android, iPhone, and iPad. So you can see the difference between these. And of course the prices will be different because you can tell. And here, all we need to do is click here this free trial button. And here we can check it. This is global, and this is only in English, and click the download button, which is right here. When it's finished, click this, and let's continue, and we can install it. The reason why we can see this is because I have already installed this version, so that's why it says detected previously installed version Crescendo Antivirus. So if you haven't downloaded this version before, then it wouldn't appear like this. Okay everyone, thank you for watching.